Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. Here at what we call the Strand here in Manhattan Beach, California. LAX Airport's probably just a couple miles that way, and in back of me is the Manhattan Beach Pier. We're doing a project. This is our latest project. It's March 2019, and we're doing this project where we're actually this is called the Strand and the Strand Gardens. So we're actually doing a native planting. So we'll do another YouTube video just to show you the stuff we're going to use, but we're going to do like coyote brush, and we're going to do the Caliandra californica. We're going to do some native butterfly bushes, the escapula, so milkweed. So we're going to do quite a few things. What I wanted to show you though is that we're not doing drip irrigation out here because there's so much of the public is out here, and dogs and so on. So we're actually using the Rainbird 1-foot pop-ups. So this is going to go underground, and then when the pressure turns on, it's going to go up a whole foot, 12 inches. We're going to use the rotary spray nozzles. These things, when they're on, they actually look like spider webs. Remember Spider-Man when that web would go out? Well, this looks like a bunch of spider webs. With these rotary nozzles, you could actually leave the sprinklers on for 12 hours, and you would have zero runoff. With regular sprinkler heads, you leave it on for 5 minutes and you would have runoff, erosion. So they're really cool, but we're not going to have to water very often because we're planting mostly California natives. Natives are important for our environment. If you want to sequester carbon, you do it mostly with California natives. It's great for the insect populations, the pollinators, the birds, the butterflies. I could go on and on with a list. Once we get the pollinator plants in, we're going to cover it with a nice thick layer of deco bark, mini deco bark that actually, it actually encourages the mycorrhizal fungi. So that will enable the plants to grow bigger and healthier and stronger and actually communicate with one another. Anyway, that's another video. I just wanted to show you our latest project, Mike with Enviroscape LA. When you think permaculture and sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.